Do you ever wonder if there is a faster way to feel better? A way to clear the fog from your mind and put a spring back in your step? What if I told you that in just a few minutes, you could learn a secret to start this change? Many people feel trapped by sugar, a substance that cleverly hides in the foods we eat every day. It creates a cycle of cravings that can be very difficult to break. This constant desire for sweetness can leave you feeling powerless and stuck in an unhealthy pattern. A quick, focused detox is not just about losing weight. It is about resetting your entire system. It is about reclaiming your energy, sharpening your focus, improving your overall mood in a surprisingly short amount of time. Why should you decide to cut sugar out right now, on this very day? The answer is simple. Your well-being depends on it. Consuming large amounts of sugar regularly can lead to a persistent feeling of exhaustion that coffee just can't fix. It is a major contributor to unwanted weight gain, especially around the middle section of your body. Furthermore, a diet high in sugar can send your moods on a roller coaster, leaving you feeling irritable one moment and down the next. Your body has a unique way of sending you signals when something is not right. Often we ignore these quiet whispers until they become loud screams for help. One of the most common issues is a sugar overload. Its signs can be subtle at first, easily mistaken for everyday stress. Do you feel overwhelmingly tired right after a meal, especially lunch? That post-meal slump, a food coma, is a classic sign your blood sugar spiked and then crashed. Your body is working overtime to process excess sugar, stealing energy from other functions and leaving you drained when you should feel energized. Another clear sign: intense, frequent cravings for sweets. It's not just wanting a treat, it can feel uncontrollable, constantly thinking about your next cookie, piece of chocolate, or sugary drink. Sugar hijacks pleasure centers in the brain, creating a feedback loop that demands more. Can't get through the day without a sweet snack? Do you seek sugar when stressed or sad? That's a strong sign sugar controls your eating habits. Look at your sleep. Waking up at night for no reason? High sugar diets disrupt hormones that regulate sleep. Sugar is a master of disguise, lurking in places you would never expect. Favorite bread, savory sauces, healthy-looking drinks. A short, one-week detox acts like a reset button, helping you understand how different foods truly affect your body and mind, offering a fast and noticeable boost to how you feel. This journey isn't about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It is about giving your body a much-needed break from the constant assault of refined sugars. Think of it as a brief vacation for your metabolic system. By stepping away from sugar, you allow your taste buds to recalibrate, discovering the natural sweetness in whole foods that you might have been missing. This process can be incredibly revealing, showing you just how much hidden sugar you were consuming without even realizing it. The benefits you can experience in just 1 week, better sleep, clearer skin, more stable mood, can be the powerful motivation you need to make lasting, positive changes to your diet and your life. It's a small investment of time for a massive return on your health. The idea of a detox might sound intimidating, but the plan we are about to explore is designed to be simple, straightforward, and achievable for anyone. You do not need expensive supplements or complicated routines. On day 1, your mission is to create a safe and supportive environment for your detox. This starts in your kitchen. You must be ruthless and methodical. Go through your pantry, go through your refrigerator, go through any secret hiding spots where you keep snacks. Your goal is to remove all temptation. Throw away the obvious culprits: candy, cookies, sugary breakfast cereals, ice cream. But don't stop there. You must become a label detective. Pick up every package and read the ingredients list. If you see words like sugar, high fructose corn syrup, dextrose, maltose high on the list, it needs to go. Keep fresh water, whole fruits, simple, plain foods visible and within easy reach. This initial clean-out is critical for your success. Day 2 is all about transforming your breakfast. This first meal of the day sets the tone for your blood sugar and energy levels for hours to come. It is time to say goodbye to sugary cereals, sweetened yogurts, pastries. Instead, opt for a breakfast rich in protein and healthy fats. Try scrambling a couple of eggs with some spinach, or enjoy a bowl of plain, unsweetened oatmeal. If you prefer yogurt, choose plain Greek yogurt. You can add a small amount of natural sweetness and flavor by topping it with a handful of fresh berries, blueberries, raspberries, or some chopped apple. By day 3 we focus on your drinks. This is a simple swap that has a massive impact. Many people consume hundreds of hidden calories and grams of sugar through their daily beverages without even realizing it. Your task today is to eliminate all sugary drinks. No more soda, no more fruit juice from concentrate, no more sweetened coffee or tea. Your new best friend is water. Aim to drink at least 8 full glasses throughout the day. To keep things interesting, you can infuse your water with slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint. Unsweetened herbal tea and plain sparkling water are also fantastic options to help you stay hydrated and keep your hands and mouth busy when a craving for a sweet drink strikes. On day 4, the focus shifts to eating real, whole foods. This is the core principle of the entire detox. Choose foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. Build your meals around lean proteins like chicken, fish, beans, and pack your plate with a colorful variety of vegetables. Avoid pre-made sauces and dressings, as they are notorious for hiding sugar. Instead, learn to season your food with simple, clean ingredients. A drizzle of olive oil, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and a sprinkle of herbs and spices like garlic, oregano, or black pepper. This approach nourishes your body with essential nutrients and helps reset your palate to appreciate natural flavors. Are you ready to discover how amazing you can feel in just 1 week? Let's begin this journey together and unlock a healthier, more vibrant version of you. The power to change is in your hands, starting right now. Let's make this, detox feel easy by looking at some simple meal ideas. For breakfast, start with 2 or 3 scrambled eggs cooked with a handful of fresh spinach. Eggs are packed with protein, which helps keep your blood sugar stable and prevents mid-morning cravings. Add a slice of whole grain bread. The fiber helps you feel full for longer. Quick to make, this breakfast gives steady energy without the spike and crash of a sugary pastry or cereal. For lunch, make a grilled chicken salad. Start with mixed greens. Add cherry tomatoes, add cucumber slices, add bell pepper strips. Top with grilled chicken breast. Skip store-bought dressings, they're often loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats. Make a simple vinaigrette instead. Extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice, pinch of salt and pepper, whisk and drizzle. When the afternoon slump hits, have a healthy snack ready. Don't reach for sugary treats out of habit. Raw, unsalted almonds. Pair them with a small apple, plain Greek yogurt, carrot sticks, cucumber slices, scoop of hummus. For dinner, aim for a balanced plate. Protein, vegetable, and a complex carbohydrate. Baked salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3s for brain and heart health. Steamed broccoli. Small scoop of brown rice. Brown rice digests slowly, giving steady energy and preventing blood sugar spikes. This meal keeps you nourished and aligned with your sugar detox goals. Remember to drink plenty of water with your meals to aid digestion and hydration. It is completely normal to experience cravings during a sugar detox. In fact, you should expect them. These urges are a sign that your body and brain are adjusting to the absence of a substance they have become dependent on. The cravings are often strongest during the first 2 to 3 days of the detox. The key to success is not to fight the craving with sheer willpower alone, but to have a smart strategy in place to manage it. When a craving hits, drink a large glass of water. Thirst is often mistaken for hunger or a craving. Hydrating first can sometimes make the urge disappear completely. If water doesn't stop it, use distraction. Wait 10 minutes before considering giving in. Change your environment and focus. Get up and go for a short, brisk walk. Try simple deep breathing exercises. Inhale slowly, count of 4. Hold, count of 4. Exhale slowly, count of 6. Repeat several times to calm your nervous system. Sometimes a craving is true hunger. If water and distraction fail, consider a strategic snack. Choose the right kind, high protein and healthy fat. This stabilizes blood sugar and satisfies hunger. A small handful of nuts, a hard-boiled egg, a few slices of cheese. If the craving is psychological, have an emergency plan, not the vending machine. Emergency treat, a single square of very dark chocolate, 70% plus cacao. Dark chocolate has far less sugar than milk chocolate and can satisfy that taste. Keep busy with non-food activities. Call a friend, listen to music, work on a hobby. Cravings are like waves, they build, then break and recede. Your job is to learn to ride them out. One of the most powerful tools in your sugar detox toolkit has nothing to do with food. It's sleep. The quality and quantity of your sleep have a direct and profound impact on your ability to control your appetite and cravings. When you are sleep deprived, your body produces more ghrelin, the hormone that tells you that you are hungry. It produces less leptin, the hormone that signals that you are full. This hormonal imbalance creates a perfect storm for intense sugar cravings. Aiming for a solid 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night is not a luxury. It is essential for a successful, sustainable detox. The second member of this powerful trio is water. Show 3-icon graphic, moon, droplet, shoe. Staying properly hydrated is fundamental to flushing toxins and supporting your metabolism. Thirst signals are often mistaken for hunger. Drink water consistently throughout the day to reduce false hunger pangs and cravings. Water helps your kidneys filter waste, especially important during detox. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Keep a water bottle with you as a visual reminder to sip, sip, sip. This habit helps fill your stomach and keeps energy levels up. The final piece of the puzzle is movement. You don't need intense workouts. Simple, consistent activity works. Exercise uses muscle glucose for energy, which helps lower blood sugar levels. That smooths out spikes and crashes that fuel cravings. Exercise also releases endorphins, natural mood boosters. A brisk 30-minute walk each day is a great place to start. Completing a 7-day sugar detox is a fantastic accomplishment, but the real goal is to turn this short-term success into a long-term healthy habit. The week-long reset is designed to show you how good you can feel without a constant influx of sugar. To maintain these benefits, it is important to have a plan for what comes next. One of the most effective strategies is to continue planning your meals ahead of time. When you know what you are going to eat for the week, you are far less likely to make impulsive, unhealthy choices when you are hungry and short on time. Keep your kitchen stocked with the same healthy staples you use during your detox. Lean proteins, plenty of vegetables, healthy snacks. Another key to long-term success is to cook at home as much as possible. When you prepare your own food, you have complete control over every single ingredient. Restaurant meals, and especially processed and packaged foods, are often filled with hidden sugars. Sodium, unhealthy fats. By cooking at home, you can ensure your meals are both delicious and healthy. This is also a great opportunity to expand your culinary skills and learn to appreciate new flavors. Experiment with different herbs and spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla. After your detox week, it is important to be mindful and intentional about how you reintroduce certain foods. This doesn't mean you can never have a sweet treat again. Instead, it's about shifting your mindset. Save sweets for truly special occasions, rather than making them a daily habit. Learn to savor a small portion of a high-quality dessert, instead of mindlessly eating a large quantity of a low-quality sugary snack. When you want something sweet for a daily treat, turn to nature's candy, fruit, a juicy peach, a bowl of fresh berries. Want more guides like this? Watch more videos on my channel to learn simple health tips. Finally, remember to always listen to your body and be kind to yourself. If you have any pre-existing health conditions like diabetes, or if you experience severe symptoms during a detox, it is always best to speak with a doctor. A healthcare professional can help you create a plan that is safe and effective for your specific needs. Enjoyed this plan? Watch other videos now to find easy recipes, quick exercise tips. A short sugar detox can be a powerful catalyst for change, giving you the energy and clarity to build a healthier life, one simple choice at a time. Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.